Ziyakhula inkxalabo malunga nokusetyenziswa kwesiyobisi esaziwa ngelini phakathi kwabafundi besikolo kunye neengxelo zabafundi abagulayo nabangakwazi ukugxila ezifundweni ngenxa yesi siyobisi. Lo mxube exelwa ukuba wenziwa ngeyeza lomkhuhlane neziselo ezineswekile uphakamisa uloyiko phakathi kootishala nabazali malunga nempembelelo yawo kwimpilo nakwindlela abantwana abaqhuba ngayo kwizifundo. Abasemagunyeni bathi iziganeko ezinxulumene nesi siyobisi ziyanda kwaye zifuna ukuqandwa ngokukhawuleza.
Sekuvele ukukhathazeka ngokwanda kwabafundi ezikoleni ezahlukene zakuleli ababonakala bephuza isiphuzo esidakwayo esibizwa ngencika phecelezi i-lean nesekuphazamisa ukufunda ezikoleni.
Isiphatha kabi vele kwamambela because now we are allowing abantu abathathe i-career of education by upholder ukuthi mina I'm going to be this to the nation, yes, South Africa, like uphold education. Unfortunately, those people izandla zabo tied up nabo because of the Department of Education. There isn't much that they can do. I still go back to say, as parents, we need to take e-parenting very serious and take it as a source of life. If umfundise kahle ingane ihlale ikhumbule ukuthi iphuma kuphi.
Kusenjalo kube sekukhuthazwa abazali ukuba baziqaphe ngeso lokhozi izingane zabo emakhaya.
Then there's a 24-hour security from a parent to a child, which is impossible to achieve. You know, all I'm asking is, can we be that community that goes back, that taps into the old community where ingane yami, ingane ye society, where ingane yakhona ukukhuza. Today ingane zethu zihamba ngama-cigarette. Hence zikwazi ukuthola ibhamu, zikwazi ukuthola imese, zikwazi ukuthola ilini ezingene esikolweni. These kids don't know consequences because I'm going to bring it back to parents. My parents are nonchalant about raising a child.
Evikini ledlule uthishanhloko wakwesinye isikole uzwakalise ukukhathazeka ngemuva kokuthola abafundi bamabanga aphansi bephethe izimfanelo zokwenza lesi siphuzo esishiyeke inqwaba yabafundi bedinga imitholampilo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu, ngise Orlando West.